Are you tired of your skin feeling dry and tight all the time? Do you want to find a face moisturizer that will not only hydrate your skin but will also keep it looking and feeling better throughout the day? Look no further. I am going to take a look at 7 of the best face moisturizers for men and give you a rating for each one. So, what are you waiting for? Start shopping. Number 7. Jack Black Double Duty Face Moisturizer. If you have oily skin, then your priority when picking a moisturizer is to find one without oil. Jack Black Face Moisturizer is my top pick. This lightweight formula is a daily broad spectrum sunscreen and an advanced facial treatment in one. The emollient formula visibly improves skin's overall appearance and provides lasting hydration without oiliness or heaviness. This product ticks all the boxes: moisturizing, amazing scent, and great for sensitive skin. This moisturizer goes on smooth and leaves no residue on your skin. It's a little pricey, but it seems to do the job. If your skin is too dry, it may produce more oil to compensate for the lack of moisture. Even if you have oily, acne-prone skin, this moisturizer is crucial. Number 6. CLINIQUE for Men Anti-Aging Moisturizer. The best defense is a strong offense. You don't have to be aware of any sign of aging like fine lines and wrinkles to prevent them. This moisturizer is made specifically for men who wish to prevent those sorts of symptoms occurring. This moisturizer is a white lotion that goes on the skin very well and almost disappears, but it does leave a slight greasy-like residue. This cream will dramatically improve the appearance of your skin after just a few applications. Most significantly, this product starts moisturizing and soothing skin immediately and keeps it feeling smooth and supple for hours. This moisturizer utilizes clean ingredients with no animal testing or animal byproducts. Proprietary cold-pressed plant extract combine potent antioxidants and phytonutrients from only the highest quality components. Number 5. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer. To instantly hydrate dry skin, use Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer. This all-face lotion moisturizes dry skin while keeping it smooth and supple all day long. The water gel formulation absorbs quickly but has a long-lasting, powerful moisturizing ability of a cream. The hydrating qualities of this daily gel moisturizer are enhanced with hyaluronic acid. This is a moisture attractant found naturally in the skin, which binds moisture to your face. It promotes skin cell regeneration and reduces the appearance of age spots, wrinkles, and an uneven skin tone. The thick cream texture helps repair the protective moisture barrier of dry, irritated skin and provide immediate and long-lasting comfort. No preservatives, parabens, fragrance or drying alcohol are used. Number 4. Brickell Men's Daily Essential Face Moisturizer. This light, fast-absorbing, oil-free facial moisturizer for men is packed with potent natural ingredients, hydrates, nourishes, renews, and protects your face without clogging pores. Men of any age with any skin type. Men with normal, oily, sensitive, dry or combo skin types will benefit from this natural men's face moisturizer. Powerful, natural, hydrating ingredients quickly soak into the skin to firm and nourish. Green tea and jojoba oil protect the skin from free radicals and damage in this face moisturizer for men. This is a great moisturizer that feels refreshing and meshes well with the exfoliator. This is the perfect combination to make for your morning and evening routine. This potent moisturizer addresses all of your skin concerns from sign of aging to reduce the dry patches. Number 3. Rugged and Dapper Men's Face Moisturizer. This technologically advanced lotion is similar to Tesla in that it makes life simpler in ways you didn't realize were possible. This face lotion for men locks in moisture, fights dryness, and combats breakouts. Rugged and Dapper contains effective ingredients: hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, jojoba oil, shea oil combined to create a face cream men trust. The ingredients help to prevent fine lines and wrinkles, leaving a sharp finish designed for any man's face care routine. This anti-wrinkle face cream is lightweight and absorbs quickly and completely without clogging pores. More significantly, this product starts moisturizing and soothing skin immediately and keeps it feeling smooth and supple for hours. It's a fantastic aftershave balm because it contains no synthetic odors, which are gentle on delicate or sensitive skin. Number 2. Belif The True Cream Moisturizing Balm. Belif is a comforting moisturizing cream that provides skin with intense hydration, leaving it supple, smooth, and deeply nourished. This anti-wrinkle blend has long-lasting effects that diminish the appearance of dark circles circles and fine lines while soothing and softening the skin. This quick absorbing, non-greasy moisturizer replenishes essential nutrients to leave the skin healthy and radiant. It locks in the skin's natural moisture barrier and protects it from the aging effects of sun rays. This gel-based cream is lightweight and gentle on sensitive skin. It enhances the natural glow of the skin and brings out a vibrant and youthful appearance. It is a highly concentrated moisturizer that offers long-lasting moisture for men. It absorbs without a chalky cast and sits invisibly atop the skin while pumping lingonberry and seabuckthorn into the cells for a toxin-throttling complexion boost. Number 1. ROC Multi Correction 5-in-1 Anti-Aging Daily Face Moisturizer. A daily anti-aging moisturizer powered by ROC's Hexol R complex to fight 5 signs of aging, including puffiness, dark circles and wrinkles, and help skin look more youthful and radiant. Broad spectrum SPF 30 helps protect skin from harmful EVA or UVB rays. Gentle enough for daily use by men. Whether you are looking for a solution for deep wrinkle, fine lines, dark circles, crow's feet, uneven skin tone, or dry skin, this moisturizer is right for you. It's a great post-shave soother and lacks any synthetic fragrances, meaning it's much gentler on vulnerable or sensitive skin. It revives the driest of skin in the driest of seasons, but also wears light atop oily and combination skin. It's part gel, part cream, all free, fragrance-free, and non-comedogenic.